Okay, now coming to the first of all, we have to know what is the machine learning. This is introduction to the machine learning. So also the types of machine learning. So in this we are having a two words mainly. So one is learning. Learning means we have to learn something. Learn something from the knowledge or a data. Okay, we are learning from training. Okay, that is what learning. So from the childhood we know the what is the meaning of a learning here. Now coming to the mission here, coming to CSE. So mission is a application, mission is a software, so mission is a system. Okay, mission learning, you are making a mission to learn, okay, by giving some input data, that is called mission learning. Okay, so here the machine means this is not any physical device like a motor, like any some other machine which is visible to us. Okay, this is application, that is machine learning here. Now for example, if you want to compute a very big number, so for a human it is very difficult to compute this much of big number in a fraction of seconds. But coming to the when you take a mission, it is very easy to find the output, find the answer. Okay, that is for example, what is a mission you may use for this? Nothing but a calculator, calci, you know about scientific calci. Okay, it is very easy to find the answer. Okay, for example, if you want to find the any resources, web resources, data, if you want to get some data any from from servers, from some websites, so this is a here what we are going, we are searching for the data. So this is what mission is searching for data. Okay, for example, so this is what machine learning is, a set of techniques to make computers better at doing things that humans traditionally can do better than machines. So this is what meaning here is, it is a collection of techniques, collection of instructions. Okay, so we are making a computers better at doing things that humans. So by birth, we are a humans, we are very intelligent. Okay, we may give answers frequently for the questions generally what anybody ask, same as we are making a machine to learn. Okay, nothing but a computers, nothing but systems we are making a learn, okay, by using some data. Okay, so that machine learning is a set of techniques we are making machine to learn. Okay, and now here machine learning involves making machines learn things like humans do. Okay, you know very well about, for example, ChatGPT is one type of a machine. Okay, your Copilot is one type of a machine. Your Google Gemini is one type of a machine. They are all the machines which are helping to you. It means whatever the queries given by you, it is going to answer according to your, okay, according to your desire. Yes or no? So that is what machine. So mainly AI is your best friend. Okay, it is you are making your AI to learn. So for example, if you are using a chat gpt, so the chat gpt is going to learn the what are the inputs, what type of queries you are giving and getting the answers. So like that, in the next day, uh, if you give very simple keywords, it is going to answer. Why? Because in the chat gpt servers or AI servers, the data is already preserved. Okay, so what she or he wants, what type of queries he is going to ask, so in that way it is learning. Okay, in that way the machine is learning. Okay, so that is what here, for example here, some, this is a small model. I am giving as a input data, I am training this machine learning model. So it says okay, it is cow, it is not a car. It means I am feeding some input data and getting some output. This is input, this is a machine learning model here. So next time if I take a like unknown image, okay, see here, for example, the machine is going to learn using some data. For example, if you take a cow, what is the data? Four legs, okay, 2 ears, 2 eyes. Okay, it is the shape of the cow, the size of the cow, the weight of the cow, the color of the cow. Okay, like that it is going to train. So we're going to train the machine learning such a way that, and we're going to train, then when the unknown query point comes, okay, why? Because this machine learning model already learns from the previous images okay, from previous features. What are the features of a curve? So when you give unknown image, it going to automatically identify, oh, it is a curve, like that. So next one, for example, if you want to guess what is the this image, then what you have to do, you have to train the machine learning model. So giving the features of the car, like shape of the car, I mean price of the car, I mean then what is the model of the car, number of wheels, all those things. Then when you give some unknown image, it is going to say, oh, it is a car, but it doesn't say this is not a, this is a cow. Why? Because you have trained your machine learning model by feeding some data. That is what the input output. So this is an important point, set of techniques to extract knowledge from the available data and use that knowledge to make a decisions. Okay, for example, if I ask you what is a variable, immediately what you say, so variable is the identifier, it is used to store the variable. How you are going to say? Because that meaning of a variable already you know in your mind. So for the Java, for the Python, for any programming language, the variable concept is same. Okay, so like that, you know about the variable. For example, if you say, tell me some basic data types, what you say? You say int, char, and then float. Why? Because you know very well about that. So you are extracting some knowledge from the available data, and I'm going to predict for unknown data. So what is a making a decision? So you see here, so I am making a decision here. Okay, so this is I am making a decision here. So it may be cow, it may be car. That is what I'm making a decision. Okay, so see, what is the meaning of knowledge is, so data is nothing but knowledge. So when you speak strictly, what is the knowledge? Knowledge is the useful information which is useful for you. For example, if you take a bank data, can you tell what are the some useful features? I mean name, age, date of birth, phone number, and then address, account number. So and then IFSC code. They are the important features. That is knowledge. Uh, Bank data, they don't ask about your height. They don't ask about your color. They are not useful for the bank data. That is about the knowledge here. Okay. Now you see here, say machine learning is a combination of two things. So one is it is a collection of deep learning and then mathematical models. So machine learning is mainly depending on the mathematics actually. And in the ancient days, in the ancient days, the machine learning is depending upon the mathematics. I mean, computer science is depending upon the mathematics actually. Okay, that is what computer science. Okay, so now coming to machine learning, it is a combination of two things. One is a deep learning along with the mathematical models. What is a mathematical models? Nothing but a mean, standard deviation, variance, and then binomial distribution, polynomial distribution. Okay, all the type of statistics, and then okay, linear equation, all those things. Nothing but a formulas. Okay, all those things. Now machine learning in real life. Okay, so you see, in every day we are using the machine learning. As you know, for example, if you want to find the whether the mail is a spam mail or not, how to identify the mail is a spam? Simply using the machine learning, you are able to find the the mail is the in your mail ID, in your mails, it is spam mail or useful mail. If you want to predict, if you want to make a difference from the spam and ham, okay, you have to use the machine learning model. Okay, for example, you know about Alexa. Alexa is very famous. For example, if you want to switch on the some songs, simply want to say, Alexa, please play this song for me. It means what? It is going to for example, uh, if we say 3 days like that, fourth day automatically at the same time it is going to play the song which is favorite for you. So that is, it is learning from you input data. Why? Because from the 3 days you are asking some different types of songs. The Alexa is going to understand, okay, this person is going to understand, is going to like this song. Automatically it plays. For example, in some cities, uh, they are going to simply they says to Alexa, Alexa, please switch on the room heater. Okay, automatically the room heater, when the temperature is so please on the room heater, it is going to automatically on. Okay, for example, if you want to on the geyser, so when the water is cold, so automatically the Alexa is going to switch on the geyser. No need to go to bathroom and switch on the geyser. If you say to Alexa, automatically it is going to on the geyser, and your time is going to save. Meanwhile, you do some other task. Okay, that is about these things. Okay, next one, you know about very well about this. So recommended, for example, if you see some videos, in the next day it is going to say, okay user, these are the recommended videos for you, so which is useful for you. Why? Because yesterday you have seen these videos, so automatically it is going to give some recommendation for you. Okay, if you want to, there are some more videos for your favorite videos. If you want to see, it is going to display all the that type of videos. Okay, so like this in the so next one is a Google car. It is very, for example, Tesla. Okay, Tesla having the driverless cars. So it is in the, for example, in the foreign countries there are driverless cars are there. So what is the main thing? So it is going to take input images from the cameras, rear camera, front camera, okay, right side and then left side cameras. It is going to capture all types of images and give feed, input data while it is moving, whether I have to go to right, I have to go to left, where I have to stop, like that. Driverless cars. So what is the main thing behind? Nothing but a machine learning. It is going to learn. Okay, the machine is going to learn, and it is automatically drives the car. Okay, so this is about the introduction to the machine learning. Okay, in the next video we'll see about the types of machine learning.